Hey guys, today I'm making a vanilla bundt cake. Start by separating your eggs and placing the egg whites into a large bowl. Then use a mixer and beat till they form soft peaks. I apologize for the camera, I forgot to set the focus. Then add in the sugar a little at a time till the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Then add in the egg yolks and the vanilla and mix well. Then mix in the oil and milk. And lastly, the baking powder and flour. Mix on low till the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix it in well. Then transfer the batter into a greased bun pan. Bake in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Then remove it from the oven, allow it to cool slightly, then turn out onto a wire rack to cool completely. Transfer it onto your serving platter, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!